individuals and organizations in fostering the ASEAN identity, promoting the ASEAN spirit, and championing the ASEAN way. The honor comes with a $20,000 cash prize and is presented as part of the ASEAN Summit, among the most important events of the ASEAN calendar. Nominees to the award were required to have contributed to the areas of collaboration between ASEAN member states, collaboration between ASEAN and the world, people-to-people engagement among ASEAN member states, economic integration and promotion of standards between ASEAN members, or excellent contribution to ASEAN community building. Nominations began in February 2019 and concluded on March 11th, with each ASEAN citizen or organization obligated to verify how their achievement impacted ASEAN between January 2018 and January 2019. Lauding those inhabitants of ASEAN that inspired and stood out with their works in the name of the grouping, ASEAN Pride 2019 is to continue to encourage all in the region to work towards its tenets and objectives, to further enhance the ASEAN identity, to bring forth its spirit, and to solidify its ways as important to the global society.
Special report.
In today's special report, we have Weera Ratchadawong, CEO and Councillor of the Thailand Management Association, discussing Thailand being ranked 25th on a competitiveness index this year. The special report is presented by the Public Relations Department.
The Thailand Management Association, or TMA, and the National Economic and Social Development Council have organized Thailand Competitiveness Conference 2019 in Bangkok this month under the theme Rethinking the Future. The conference gathered